Today, we're going to uncover the biggest myths in stock trading. Traders, I've got some bad news. You've all been lied to. If you believe these myths, you're already behind and probably bleeding cash. These myths are the reason most day traders lose money. Not the market, not bad luck, just misinformation. So before you place another trade, before you fund another account, watch this video. Because once you see the truth, you'll never trade the same way again. Myth number one, you need to be right to make money. Let's start with the biggest one. The lie that you need to be right to make money. Wrong. You just need to manage your risk better. Professionals aren't chasing 100% accuracy. They're chasing good risk to reward. You can be wrong half the time, some traders even more, and still make a fortune if your winners are 3 times bigger than your losers. Most traders blow up not because they lose, but because they can't accept losing small. They average down, they hold losers longer than they should, and they let hope become their strategy. The pros, they cut losses ruthlessly and move on quick. They treat trading like math, not emotions. So stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be profitable. Myth number 2, more trades equals more money. Let's talk about the second myth, the idea that the more you trade, the more you'll make. That's how brokers get rich, not you. Overtrading is the fastest way to drain your account and your energy. Every trade carries risk, emotion, decision fatigue. The best traders don't take 50 trades a day. They take 2 or 3 high probability setups, and then they wait patiently. Patience isn't passive, it's profitable. Think about it. A sniper doesn't shoot at everything that moves. He waits for that one clean shot. Everything's lined up perfect. That's how professionals trade. And if you can't wait for the right setup, Market Pro Trading can teach you. We could teach you how to scan, filter, and take only the cleanest, high probability trades in real time. This way you trade a lot less and you win a lot more. Myth number 3, you need a big account to win big. The third myth, that you need a massive account to make real money, that's false. What you really need is consistency. Consistency builds fortunes. I've seen traders start with $1,000 and grow it to well over $100,000 within a year. I've seen others start with $100,000 and lose it in weeks because they couldn't follow strict discipline and their own trading plan. If you make 2% a week, just 2%, that's over 140% a year. And that's not fantasy, that's real math. So stop comparing your account size to someone else's highlight reel. When it comes to growing your account, consistency beats capital. Build your skill first, scale your trade size second. That's how small traders become professionals and grow big. Myth number 4, trading is easy with the right indicator. The idea that the next magic indicator will fix everything, because it won't. Trading isn't about tools, it's about execution, timing. Pros use clean charts, follow price action and volume because clarity beats clutter. And here's the truth. The most profitable traders master simple setups, breakouts, pullbacks, reversals, and they execute them flawlessly. They know them inside and out. And that's exactly why we built Market Pro Trading, to cut through all the noise so you could focus on what actually matters, the setup, the signal, and the execution. Myth number 5, day trading is just luck. If it were, the same traders wouldn't win year after year while others just keep blowing up accounts and refunding them. Luck might win you the day, but skill will keep you in the game. Every pro you admire has a system, rules, structure, and repetition. They don't trade based on emotion, they trade based on data. They're not guessing, they're executing. And that's what separates dreamers from traders. Here's the truth. Day trading can change your life, but only if you unlearn the myths that keep you broke. You don't need to be right all the time. You don't need to trade every setup. And you don't need to start big or chase indicators. What you do need is structure, strategy, and discipline. And if you want to shortcut years of trial and error, I'll give you a free head start. Download the free Market Pro Trading Day Traders Playbook. Go over to marketprotrading.com and you can get it for free. It's the exact checklist our traders use every day. The setups, the rules, the risk frameworks that actually work. Click the link below, get the playbook, and start trading with precision, confidence, and clarity. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading, so trade smart, trade discipline, and I'll see you in the next video.